Hello, animators. Welcome back.
If you're starting out in animation, it is super easy to get overwhelmed or fall into bad habits. I've been there myself. So today, we are breaking down 5 of the most common mistakes beginners make in animation, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. So stick around to the end because I will also share a quick bonus tip that helped me improve much faster. Mistake number 1: skipping the basics. A lot of beginners, including myself when I started, just wanted to jump straight into animated fight scene, explosions, or complex characters. But without learning the basics, everything end up looking stiff and unnatural. The basic I'm talking about are the 12 principles of animation. Things like squelch and stretch, anticipation, follow through, and timing. These are like the ABCs of animation. If you skip them, it's like trying to write essays without learning the alphabet first. So instead of ignoring them, spend some time practicing. Animate a bouncing ball, a swinging pendulum, or even just a character waving. It may seem boring at first, but these simple exercises are how professionals build their foundation. Mistake number 2: ignoring timing and spacing. Have you ever made an animation where the movement felt too fast or awkwardly slow? That is usually a timing issue. Timing is about how long an action takes, and spacing is about how the drawings are distributed between the key poses. If you get this wrong, your animation will look robotic. Yes, like a robot. For example, if a stick figure throws a punch and every frame is evenly spaced, it will feel stiff. But if you add slow in at the start and slow out at the end with quick frames in the middle, the punch suddenly feels powerful and natural. The fix here is to practice with timing charts or just watch real life references in slow motion. Pause videos frame by frame and notice where the motion speeds up and slows down. Mistake number 3: biting off more than you can chew. It's super tempting to start your animation journey with a giant project like a full fight sequence with 5 characters and special effects, but most beginners burn out halfway or never finish at all. The truth is, you learn faster by doing small projects that you can actually finish. A bouncing ball, a character turning their head, a walk cycle. This might seem simple, but they are actually what will teach you the core animation skills. Okay, think of it like you're going to a gym. You don't start with the heaviest weight. You build up over time. Animation works the same way. The mistake number 4: not focusing on strong keyframes. Keyframes are the backbone of your animation. They are the main poses that tell the stories. Beginners often make keyframes that look too similar or they don't exaggerate enough, which leads to lifeless movement. Here is the fix. Always start with clear, exaggerated poses. Push the action a little more than it feels natural. Make sure the silhouette of your character is clear, meaning even if you fill them in black, you could still tell what the pose is. Once your keyframes are solid, then you can worry about adding in-betweens. But if your key poses are weak, no amount of in-betweens will save the animation. And the last one, mistake number 5: no reference or planning. A lot of beginners think using references is cheating, but it's actually the opposite. Every professional animator, including myself, uses reference footage. Disney animators filmed actors, live actors, martial artists, even animals just to get the motion properly. If you try to animate everything from memory, your characters will look stiff. The fix is very simple. Use references, thumbnail your ideas, and plan. before you animate. Even a quick stick figure storyboard on paper can save you hours of frustration. And when you see video reference, don't just copy it blindly. Study it, understand the motion, and then simplify it for your animation style. So let's take a quick recap. The first mistake is don't skip the basics. And the second mistake, pay attention to timing and spacing. The third mistake, don't overcomplicate your project. And the fourth one is focus on strong keyframes. And the fifth one is always use references and plan ahead. And as for the quick bonus tip, finish your project. Even if your animation is not perfect, finish it. Completing it teaches you so much more than leaving it half done. Over time, your finished project will become a timeline of your improvement. If you find this helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comment section which mistake you have struggled with the most. And if you want to access my animation class, join either my WhatsApp group or the Telegram channel. The link is in the description. And of course, subscribe for more animation tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and keep animating.
This is HB Toonz Academy, your mobile animation channel. Learn, create, and enjoy.